And Becky, I think I'm going to give this one to you. All right. How can manufacturers make sure their suppliers are performing well? When it comes to their tier 2 suppliers and down the chain, what can manufacturers do to make sure product quality is satisfactory and costs are under control? Becky?
Well, I think one of the first things that you can do as a manufacturer with your supply base is talk to them. You've got to get out of your office and go out and visit the suppliers and have a conversation with them. Walk their floor, take a look at their operations, take a look at their scrap. The other thing that you can do and should do is have metrics that each supplier is supposed to submit. Not only your tier 1s, but your tier 2s and your tier 3s, in order to make sure that they're meeting expectations on an ongoing basis. The third thing you can do with them is make sure they're compliant to IATF 16949 or QS 9000. I didn't say certified, I said compliant, to make sure that they live and breathe within the boundaries of what is necessary to get that certification.